world? Welcome back to the House of Sticks channel. My name's Scott. Things have been going crazy lately, and yes, I'm still making YouTube videos. Yes, we're gonna still talk to you about how to run your creative business well, how to make it on your own, and how to do the things that you've always wanted to do. So we're still doing this thing, and today, you know what we're talking about? We're talking about that side hustle, man. That job that you do when you already have a job. You know, your 8 to 5 job, and then your 6 to 2 a.m. job. We're talking about the 6 to 2 a.m. job, so stick around. So I've gotten plenty of feedback on videos on YouTube from friends offline. I wish they'd do them online. So if you have a comment to make, please make some comments. But a lot of the comments I get are about the side hustle, about what to do when you have a job and you want to get out of it. And I feel like all the stuff we've been talking about are good in practice, but I feel like a lot of the things that people respond to are just the encouragement to take the step to do what you want to do. So today, what we're going to talk about is that side hustle. If you are anything like me and you have responsibility, you have to have a job. You have to have an 8 to 5 job to support what you want to do, but you get so frustrated with it. You hate working in corporate America. You don't like your manager. You want to do something more with your life, but you just don't know how. Be encouraged. There's always a way to make that thing happen. Now, in the intro, I talked about the side hustle is this job that you have or this work that you do while you have a full-time job. Disclaimer here, make sure that you read your employee handbook. Make sure there's no conflict of interest, and never, ever, ever, under any circumstances, use your company's resources to get your side hustle going. So the way I see it is there are 3 distinct advantages for you having a side hustle. So the one distinct advantage that you have wanting to do side hustle is you're already working in the job that you want to do. Let's say you're a lawyer and you want to start a photography business. My suggestion would be do the photography stuff on the side. Or I would say, go get a job. If you don't have any experience as a photographer, go get a job as a photographer. Change what you're doing on a daily basis so somebody else can pay for your experience. Because in any sort of creative world, you need to make sure that your experience and your ability to create stuff is top notch. The best way to do that is getting experience working for somebody else. Number 2, the biggest thing that you're gonna have as a creative person doing your own business or even any other thing is your portfolio or your resume. I would say the only way you're gonna get a job is to actually have done the work that you're charging somebody else to do. Now that seems kind of backwards, right? How am I supposed to get this work if I haven't already done it? I need to get the job so I can do it so I can sell it to somebody else. Well, chances are you're gonna have to probably do that work somewhere else before you can sell it. Great idea to have a job with somebody else doing that work. The third really awesome benefit to having your side hustle is, you got 2 incomes, man. You can have your 8 to 5 income. You can go home, you can take care of all your stuff when everybody goes to sleep, man, burn that midnight oil. You've got at least from 11 o'clock to 2 a.m. to knock some stuff out. Now, you're gonna give up some sleep, you're gonna have to give up some other things, but you're gonna have to set the priorities in your life to make sure you can make those things happen. You're gonna be working a lot for it, but you're gonna have 2 incomes. Goal here, make sure that you're making more money on your side hustle than you are in your original thing. Take that step, get out of the box, do the things that you want to do, and start thinking about your job as opportunity beyond just what you're getting paid on a daily basis. So be encouraged, man. Do that thing that you want to do. If you got any comments, man, make those comments below. Subscribe button, I think we're at 30 right now, which is super awesome. Congratulations, YouTube. So glad you're here. So glad you're watching this. And hey, be back at the end of the week. We'll put some more stuff up. All right, thanks.